The story of Saturn's discovery begins thousands of years ago. Ancient civilizations like the Babylonians and Greeks noticed this distant, slow-moving object in the night sky. To the naked eye, Saturn appeared as a bright, wandering star. It wasn't until the invention of the telescope that the planet's true nature would be revealed. In 1610, Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei became the first person to observe Saturn through a telescope. But what he saw puzzled him. The planet seemed to have strange ears, or bumps on either side. Galileo couldn't yet resolve the rings. Instead, he thought Saturn might be a triple planet, with two smaller bodies flanking it. Galileo's limited telescope could not clearly reveal the rings. As he observed Saturn over time, the mysterious shapes seemed to disappear, leaving him even more confused. Little did he know, he had just witnessed the edge-on view of Saturn's rings, a phenomenon that occurs when the rings are tilted directly toward Earth, making them nearly invisible. Decades later, in 1655, Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens solved the mystery. Using a more advanced telescope, Huygens was able to observe Saturn with greater clarity. He proposed a revolutionary idea. Saturn wasn't accompanied by moons or ears. It was surrounded by a thin, flat ring. This discovery transformed our understanding of the planet. Huygens' discovery paved the way for further study, and soon after, astronomers like Giovanni Domenico Cassini would discover that Saturn's rings weren't a single structure. In 1675, Cassini identified a division in the rings, now known as the Cassini division, revealing that Saturn's rings were made up of multiple, distinct bands. Fast forward to the 20th and 21st centuries, and our understanding of Saturn and its rings would evolve even further with the advent of space exploration. In 1979, NASA's Pioneer 11 spacecraft flew by Saturn, capturing the first up-close images of the rings. Then, in the early 2000s, the Cassini-Huygens mission gave us the most detailed look at Saturn and its rings yet. Cassini revealed that Saturn's rings are made up of billions of particles, mostly ice, rock, and dust. These particles range from tiny grains to massive chunks the size of houses. The spacecraft also discovered intricate details about the rings' structure and dynamics, like their constant shifting and their interactions with Saturn's moons. Today, we know that Saturn's rings are likely the remnants of a shattered moon or comet, and that they might not be permanent. In fact, scientists believe the rings could disappear in a few 100 million years. From ancient observations to modern space missions, the discovery of Saturn and its rings has been a journey of wonder and exploration. A symbol of beauty and mystery, Saturn continues to captivate scientists and stargazers alike. As we look deeper into the cosmos, Saturn and its rings remind us of the vastness of our universe and how much there is left to discover. Hit like and subscribe for more.